Hey everybody, welcome back to Mountain Elf Gaming. I'm Kush and we're in our 7 Days to Die Rebuilding world. As you can see, quite a bit of time has passed since the last recording, and the reason why is over here. I wanted to get the horde base done. We're going to go and do that trader quest here in a minute, but I made the horde base slightly different. I made a ramp instead of ladders so that dogs can get up and shouldn't congregate at the back. I'm going to put some torches over here for some light on horde night. I didn't have as much cobblestone, so I tried to make it a bit more compact. I've got our chest down here with the leftover building materials, which I did not have much of. And this will be for food and drink and first aid. So I did the same type of quick exit with the hay bales, and I put a ladder up to here so that if we do have vultures and I need to come up and kill them because I can't get them through the bars for some reason, I can get up here. But you can see it's a bit smaller than the last one. I tried to use a few less resources. And while I was building it, I just had the forge make a whole bunch of iron bars. I thought I had counted it out perfectly, but I had one extra that's back there. So if I need to replace one, I can. And then I dropped everything back off at the base that I didn't need with me and repaired up, grabbed some food and drink. And part of the reason that took so long is there's a construction site, I think it's just off that way from the house. And I went to grab the resources and there was a broken workbench and broken cement mixer. And the workbench just had a little bit of iron in it, but the mixer had the schematic. So I had thought that maybe I could get a mixer made and get some cement for the coming horde night, but the game had other ideas, and even though I broke down, I don't even know how many cars. I think I got 3 batteries, a level 3, 5, and 6, I think. But I got no engines. And I ran all over town taking a whole bunch of cars apart and got no engines. So can't make a cement mixer yet. And flagstone should be fine for the first horde day. I did turn up the number of zombies so that hopefully the horde night will last all through the night. We'll see. And being as I have kind of limited weapons, it may take us longer to kill them anyway. So I'm going to do the usual, make a chest and pop it down out here and do the double loot. I'll just leave the wood in there. But I should have everything on me and I'm full on food and drink. So we will go through and loot and see what we get. It'd be nice to get some more weapons, but well, this garage has seen better days. I do want to get all the resources I can from this stuff, but it doesn't look like there's anything in the garage. Hopefully no dog in the backyard. It looks like that's where I go in. No doggy, but alright, let's start sneaking in. Now, I'll grab all these resources after we clear it out. Just really don't want a doggy. No doggies, please. There's a passing gas crate. Maybe we'll get some parts for a vehicle out of there. Is anybody else down here? Does not look like it. Okay, it looks like that's the way up. I'll take my arrow back. Nothing in there. See what we get out of the passing gas. Bicycle handlebars, that's good. I did say a vehicle. Maybe I should have specified I would like a motorcycle. Or a mini bike even. Something that doesn't require a lot of stamina use. Hi, where did you come from? So it looks like I have some skill points to spend. I'll worry about that when I'm not in the middle of a POI. And this POI is not one I really know, so could be some surprises that I don't know about. Not really sure which way I'm supposed to go here. I guess across here. Because I can always put down frames, but I'd like to try and follow the path through. Just not quite sure where the path is going. Search the cupboards, some water. Anybody hiding in here? No. I will take the bed frame. Pile of clothes. I will take the dye out of that, but I don't need the suit pants. You're dyed. I think everything is dyed except I'll have a blue bone knife. Okay. Looks like the loot's up there, but I think the path is taking me through here. I'll take the bed apart in a minute. Ow, don't hit me. Ah. There's a ladder. Not much in the way of loot so far. Not really worth keeping to sell. Take that apart. Give me the ammo pile. Alright, so looks like I'm going up the ladder. Nothing up there. Doesn't look like anybody's hiding up here waiting for me. I don't need the stone arrows. I can scrap those. I've got plenty of stone at home. I will make that into frames and get rid of that. And then looks like we head over this way. Sewing kits. Is this like testing my parkour skills? Because I can tell you now they suck. Alright, doesn't look like anybody in the loot room. that could change when I get over there. Yep. Alright, let's see what we get. Ammo, medical supplies, Shamway. Well, that's a lot of food. And I want the resources. And let's see what the final loot is. Magazine extender, gravedigger, padded gloves. Well, I can't put that on that, and I've already got one on the AK I bought, so... is there anything else hiding on the roof? What there is of the roof, perhaps I should say. Alright, doesn't look like it, so let's go drop this stuff off in the chest. And reset it. And go back through. Okay, I'm gonna eat a little bit and drink that water just so I'm full. Scrap that. Alright. Everybody loaded up. And let's go through again. Was there a workbench there last time? Take it apart for the resources. Free iron is always good. Alright, backyard. Doesn't look like there's a doggy. Okay, let's see who's down here. Nobody's standing up there this time, but there is somebody over there. Looks like he dropped a loot bag. We'll get to that in a bit. Yep. Die. Trying to sneak up behind me. He's dead. Alright, let's get the passing gas, and after we do the double loot, I'll come back down and get the resources again. Hunting knife schematic and a wheel. Well, that's good. I can get maybe a bicycle together. I am going to go ahead and grab these before I forget they're down here. So, let's make our way up. Is there anything behind there? No. Alright, let's see. Back across the air vents. Across the air vents again. See what he dropped us. Weapon flashlight mod, some salmon and some healing. Bed. Steel armor parts, that's good, because apparently it takes quite a lot to make the steel armor. Now, I want to see what jacket I'm wearing. I'm not wearing one. This gives me 10% run speed, so I am going to put that on. Make sure nobody's going to drop down on my head. It has been a very rainy, nasty day today. That's the third or fourth time it's just clouded straight up and gotten nasty. Get the bed. Yeah, I know. Backpack. Nothing else in here. Nothing up there. Some more ammo. At least I'm getting plenty of ammo for the AK. That's good. I think we'll be alright on Horde Night. I haven't turned it up that high in a long time, so I think I have it up to 32. I usually play on either 8 or 16. In the last series I had it on 16, so we'll see how well it goes. Alright, across we go. And I know somebody's going to be up there. Hopefully not a feral. Come on. Cowboy. Alright. So that finished the clear quest. And, oh, let's see what we get in our loot. Shotgun Messiah. Oh, that's a better knife. And I think those are better boots. And steel club parts. So, let's have a look. Yeah, they're a lot better. Take the pocket out of you. Pop it back in you. And the improved fittings mod. And where are those worth keeping? 89. It's not bad. Alright, let's see what's in the big chest. Don't need those. Fill that up. Molotovs. Serrated blade mod. So let's take the die out of this. Modify that with the serrated blade and the die. Scrap that. And then we can repair this and throw out the rest of the bones. So that should be everything in here. I'm gonna pop back down the stairs, grab the rest of the resources. I think I got all the ones from up here. So let's get down without breaking a leg. I didn't search the laundry. Some more sewing kits. I'll take the polymers out of that. And grab the resources. Luckily with this shovel it doesn't take long. I never even saw that bag there. Dog food I will keep for learning elixir whenever I can make it. And I'm not seeing any like secrets down here, so I don't think I need to worry about missing anything. Except all the stuff I walked past on my way upstairs. Ooh, oil shale. That's good. Alright, I think that is all of the resources down here. So we will head back. I didn't bring any of the stuff I would want to take to the trader, but we will go ahead and head back. Actually, we might go out and get that. How far away is that? Ugh, that's way on out there. There's one there. And that one up there. I might run out and pick them up overnight. Use one of you. I don't need 2 coffee beans. I want the handlebars. That sells for a good bit, so I don't want to waste it. I don't need 13 paper and cloth, but I do want the glue, and I want the polymers. I've got plenty of pipes back home from taking apart stuff, so let's head to see the trader. and see what quest rewards we get. And then I may just spend tonight trying to take apart more cars if I can find them in town. There's one there. I don't have room, but just trying to find something so I can make a cement mixer. I have a couple things to sell to the trader, but I will probably not have enough to buy an engine if he has one. So, do I have any room? No, I don't. I was gonna see if this had sugar butts in it, but no, it doesn't. Okay, let's go see how grateful he is that we did his quest. Wasteland treasures. Plenty of bandages. Weave plant fibers into cloth. But I need to sell some stuff first. Let's sell that. Sell that. Sell that. Sell that one. Motor tool parts I want to keep. I don't need the murky water. I've got plenty. I can sell the Gravedigger mod. I'm going to keep the extender mod in case there is something else that I want to put an extender in. Steel club I will keep. It's going to be a while for that, so let's first do this and read it. Already got a weighted head in there, so okay, let's see what mods he's got. Nothing new. He doesn't restock till day 7. I don't really need grenades. The crossbow would be nice, but I'd have to run back and get my money anyway, and I think I'll just stick with the bow for now. See what clothes and armor he has. Now, those would be a good buy if I could get... I don't need 2 bicycle handlebars. If I can get enough money for that, then I might get that, because that helps with crafting time. I need, what was it, 2,000? Where'd they go? Yeah, 2,000. So, sell those. You can have some lead, have a steroid. There we go. Before I do that, no, I'm wearing the lucky goggles. Okay. So, I want the nerdy glasses, because that will help with crafting things like cement and stuff like that. Let's see what his next job is. Buried supplies. Which way is that drop? Southwest. Let's see. South, east, west. I might do this and go grab that drop. So that's over there. I can go and get that. But I think I'm going to have to make a trip home first. I just don't have room for all of that. And I won't make it back to the trader tonight with the quest anyway. Hello. So I think I'm going to head home. And I'm just going to spend tonight going around and getting whatever other cars I can find. And go dig up that and grab the drop that's over that way. The one further north I'm not going to worry about right now. But, and then tomorrow is Horde Day. So we will probably try and do some close by trader quests. And spend any extra skill points we have. And then hopefully not get our faces ripped off. So I don't know why I'm heading for that. I need to head home. And some of these places that have resources I have already gone to and grabbed, like I grabbed some of the plants out of there. I grabbed a little bit of concrete that was stacked up over there. So, you know, most of these places don't have a whole lot of like cobblestone and cement left in them. I'm sure there are plenty that I have not been to. But with what we got from that trader quest, I think I've got enough to keep everything repaired up and all of that. If I can find an engine, I'm going to go ahead and make a cement mixer tonight. But if I can't have those blocks upgraded before midday tomorrow, then I don't think they will dry in time. So I will probably not, upgrade any of it if I can't do it by, you know, midday. I am going to plop a chest here that is going to be a dump chest, and I will sort all of this into where it needs to go later on. That is XP gain, so I could wear those while I'm killing the zombies and then switch over to the loot goggles if I remember to do so. But I think I'm going to leave this episode here while I do some running around to go get those two, the buried supplies in that, and then a later time we'll go up and get that. I will mark it so I don't forget. And that drop, I'll probably check it tonight too. I'm not sure if I grabbed it or not, but I'm gonna leave this here. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe. Any comments and questions, go down in the comment section. Any tips and tricks are always appreciated, and I hope I see you in the next episode. Thanks, y'all. Bye.